Hey guys, quick unboxing of some guns. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the camera up there. Okay, so amongst the cardboard we have the L86 Airsoft gun. We've got some ammunition, and we also have two pistols. We have Cyma P817 and a P99F. And this is my unboxing video. There'll be more reviews coming soon, so thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out UK Airsoft Reviews, I'll put his name in the description. So thanks for watching, goodbye.